Hello everyone, this is Noori Bai channel. Please like and subscribe my channel for more amazing and latest videos. Today my topic of video is how to install WAMP 3.0 latest version and run once a time in system, not again and again. Before wasting of time, let's move to the official website of WAMP and install WAMP server file. Click on the WAMP server file, WAMP server official website, and then click on WAMP server 64-bit if your system is support. Otherwise, WAMP server 34-bit is also available. If you click on WAMP server, you can easily download directly without filling this information. You can download it directly from this link. It's take time. Already this file I have. Then I will cancel this exe downloading, and in downloads already have this file. After that download, you can click on that WAMP server file setup and allow the administrative and setup started. Select your language, accept the agreement. Next, location of WAMP, and here you can install another version of PHP, like I installed everyone. After that selection, go to next, and then installation start. It's take around 5 to 10 minutes, it depending on your PC. The setup option, do you want to choose another browser installed on your system? No. Notepad, your default text editor? No. After that, I around 30 minutes installing MongoDB and finished. Now I install the WAMP server and then click on finish. Now I install installation of WAMP server. You can check the WAMP is installed on your system. Yeah, WAMP is installed on your system. Click on right and run as administrator. Click on yes, and the WAMP is running. If you want the WAMP is run always without running again and again. When you shut down your PC, then go to services, app services, and search WAMP. Here you can set your property to automatic, manual to automatic, then apply and click on WAMP Apache 64. Because my system supports 64-bit, and mysql property is automatic, then apply and OK. After that property set, and then go to browser and check your server is running. Yes, of course your server is running successfully. Yeah, and your PHP my admin is running successfully. It's mean to your Apache server. It's mean your Apache server is running successfully. This is end of our video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.